Hey guys, what's up? I forgot to film an intro. This lighting is just like playing me. Just kidding. So anyway, yeah, I forgot to film an intro. I'm totally sorry. I feel like I keep kind of forgetting that. Like the last video I did the same thing and I kind of just inserted like, words or whatever. And I'm like, I'm so sorry, I forgot. But yeah, so in today's video, I'm just gonna be talking a little bit about what's going on. Honestly, I'm just kind of yapping away. That's just the truth. So, I mean, it's just one of those videos. It's a get ready with me. But yeah, I know this kind of looks like a vlog, the start to a vlog, and honestly, the ending kind of does too. But let me know if you guys really like these type of videos where I kind of just talk and feel like I interact with you guys a little bit more rather than just doing makeup. But yeah, if you guys would like to see that, then please keep watching. Hey, so I just kind of wanted to film myself getting ready and do kind of like a little chit chat with you guys, just because I feel like like so much is going on and a lot is changing and this thing's gonna drive me insane. Just ignore that. So I'm pretty sure you can tell in the background that I'm not sitting at my normal my normal desk, like my makeup table, because my chair is back here. I'm sitting on the floor. There's boxes. So actually what's going on lately is a whole lot. Again, I guess that's just life, just a series of up and down and all around. So I'm currently moving, in the process of moving. So this is probably the last video I'm going to be doing in this apartment. I obviously will be filming in between and trying my absolute best to keep up with YouTube because I don't know. I love doing YouTube. Honestly, I really do. But anywho, I'm gonna take the Mono Renaissance palette as usual. And I'm just going to apply it. The shades Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange. I'm just mixing those two together and I'm just gonna apply them all over. I usually start in the crease and then honestly I just like go all over the place. But anywho, so yeah, I'm leaving my apartment and I've lived here for about, honestly, I've probably lived here about almost 2 years. And I live in a really small town. So it's okay. So originally I'm from California, and me and my family, when I was really young, I've always moved like my whole entire life. I've never really just stayed like in one place anyway. So I don't feel like this is anything super new, but the place, like the town that I live in right now, is somewhere that I've stayed probably the longest, given the whole freaking 24 years of my life. So I lived in this small town, super random town, by the way. Before moving here, I had absolutely no connections whatsoever. Just up and moved here with my parents. But I lived here for 7 years. 7 whole years. So I kind of just claim it as home now in a sense, because kind of is. But yeah, I've lived here in this town on my own, like by myself, basically with no family for, I want to say like 3 years. So I don't have any other family here. My parents decided to move away. They just left me. No, I'm just kidding. They didn't leave me, but they went off and did their own thing, But I stayed here because I kind of just developed like a life, it's just, it happens. So, anywho, things happen, life changes, and I don't know, I feel like it's like a bittersweet thing in a sense. I know I'm rambling, but I'm sure if you guys live somewhere for a long time or had a house or a place for a long time and then you just move, it's just, I don't know, it just holds a lot of value and like, you know what I mean? Like memories and just all that stuff. But anyways, I'm really gonna miss this place. It's just too big. for me and my daughter, honestly. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom place, and it's just kind of expensive, and it's not, I feel like it's just not necessary to have, I don't know, I guess that much room and that much space. So we shall see what life decides to give or throw at me. I just feel like it's just been a series of events in like this last 2 years of my life have been absolutely crazy and hectic, and I just don't really know what's going to happen. And I haven't like 1,000% decided what I want to do. I just know that I don't want to be living here, like in this place. I feel like it's kind of just given me all it has to offer, like at this point, you know. Sorry, I'm like sitting on my knees and they hurt. So moving on to lips. I don't have my sharpener, which sucks because this is almost out. But I'm taking this NYX Professional Makeup Lip Liner in Downtown Beauty. This one's one of my favorites. It kind of reminds me of the ColourPop. What's the shade? It's my favorite shade. It's BFF. I'm sure if you've been following my videos, you know that I kind of just always stick to like a brown. I'm kind of sick, so don't mind that. But I always stick to like a brown kind of nude shade when it comes to my lip liners. I don't like to really use a whole lot of color, even if I'm putting like different colored lipsticks on my like lips or whatever. I don't know. I just always stick to these shades, so. It honestly probably looks like I'm always wearing like the same freaking lipstick. You know what, I'm probably gonna do like a lipstick today instead of a liquid lip and or a lip gloss, because I feel like that's what I always wear. I'm gonna take this Anastasia and it's not leche. I don't know. I feel like I'm butchering it. But it's just like a really pretty shimmery, I want to say like a mauve-y color. Oh, it's one of my favorite shades. I actually just found it last night when I was like packing stuff. I like found it and I was like, oh my gosh, I've been looking for it. I honestly thought I lost it, so good thing I didn't. I'm probably just gonna bronze up a little bit. And excuse the powder, obviously I'm baking my concealer in hopes that it'll last all day because I have to go to work and then I have to get off and finish packing. I'm hoping I can make some time for the gym because since the last like kind of week and a half has been super crazy. I feel like I haven't had much time to go to the gym, and I normally always make time because I just want to. Like, I genuinely enjoy working out and being healthy. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, I was gonna say, if you're kind of like I don't want to say like a true ride or die or anything, but if you're really into my YouTube videos and just me in general, I post consistently on Instagram, and I definitely like reply back and communicate better with you guys. Like, I'm really interactive, especially like obviously on Instagram. And if you're interested in any kind of like working out stuff, I do share that on my Instagram, and I'll leave that link below and probably up here somewhere if I can. But yeah, I'm super duper active on there. And I love posting and answering questions and all that you guys might have. Okay, jumping off subject, but girl, these lashes, I need to get them filled. Look at them. They're like, they're barely there. They're hanging on by nothing. So, like, this one's ready to come off. So I did schedule an appointment to get them done. It's just because, like I said, everything that's been going on, I haven't been able to get my lashes done. I do make time for the gym, but I feel like I'm kind of skipping every other day, and normally I go every single day. Like on my rest days, I do cardio, so it's just like really weird and hard for me to not just like consistently be going. I mean, it's been a nice little break just because everything is so hectic and my body is kind of just like burnt out, you know, with the whole move and all that stuff. So anyway, oh yeah, I should probably dust this away. I'm just gonna use this. But yeah, so that's just kind of what's been going on, like the move, and just everything's been all over and up in the air. But I just wanted to sit down and kind of just film this little tiny chit chat to keep you guys posted kind of on what's going on. I mean, if you're interested obviously in knowing, life's just crazy and sometimes things change so quickly, and that's why I always try to tell people that you should always be as grateful as you possibly can. And I know sometimes that might be hard, and not gonna lie, sometimes I struggle too, but you just never know what any day could bring. You know, like one minute you could have it all, the next you won't, or you won't have it, and the next day you can have it all. And I think each stage of life, it's just so important to remember, you know, just like what's important to you, what's always going to be there, and what's not, you know, just always try to be grateful. That's like the best advice I feel like I could give. I try to appreciate every step of the way. Just like when everything's going good, I appreciate it extra because things just change so quickly. And that's just my take on the way life changes. So that's it. I just wanted to do a quick little get ready with me and chat with you guys in my apartment. This is the last video in this apartment, which is so sad. But it's okay. I feel like it's for the better. I mean, it's better to have a positive outlook on things than to have a negative, because that's just never going to help any situation. But yeah, that is it. Actually, I'm going to show you guys really quick my view that I'm going to absolutely miss. Hey, hold on a second. I'm trying to figure, okay. All right, guys, I just had to switch you around really quick. But look at this mountain. It's so beautiful. I feel like this was like probably my most favorite thing about this apartment. Just that it's like upstairs and downstairs, and that this was the view. You guys should have seen it, honestly, like 20 minutes earlier, because there was just fog everywhere. It was insane. Like, you couldn't even see the mountain. It looked like a horror film. But yeah, that's the beautiful mountain. Just thought I would show you. And at least I can kind of like look back on this video and just be like, I remember that. Anyways, I'm gonna go. I feel like I'm getting all sappy, and this last part I feel like kind of turned into like a vlog in a sense. I don't really know why. But I'm gonna end the video right there. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it as usual, and if you did, then please don't forget to subscribe and like, leave suggestions for a next video that you guys would like to see. Yeah, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.